Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to set up Mailchimp on Shopify. First of all, we need our Mailchimp account to be ready, and our thing is Shopify accounts. So go ahead and open Shopify, and go ahead and log into your account. This will take a few seconds, so follow me as I'm doing it. Now, after I have logged into my accounts, I will create a new store. Click on all stores, as you can see, and create a new one. You have to skip these questions in case you don't need to. In case you want to just answer them, I'm just gonna click on next, next, next. And just like that, the dashboard should be created. Go back in here and go to integrations, search for Shopify, and as you can see, this is it. Click on Shopify and click on get started. Now just wait until this is opened, the website is opened, and then follow as I'm showing you right now. You're all set. Click here, get started, and let's wait a little bit. As you can see, click on install, and after that, you'll be taken to this page. What you have to do now is click on install again, and this will be taking you here. Now, all you need to do next is pretty easy. You're simply going to start the migration between the two platforms. So we wait until this ends. Let me just wait until the session ends. Now log in into your account. In case it didn't take you to this page where you are going to give permissions, you simply have to put your informations about your Mailchimp credentials and you will be in this page. Now you are going to give them a couple of authority, and once you're done, the authorization and the integration has been made fully and successfully. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.